This is what an empty website looks like. It only has a homepage button, a temporary name, and that is pretty much it. So let's log in to make some changes. We start off by going to Site Info. In the Website Info section, we will rename the website. Let's call it SGG Fine Arts. We can add a tagline if needed, and a mission statement for search engines to find. And later on, we will upload a logo. Let's update the copyright statement for the page footer while we're here, and then click Save. Go to the Look and Feel section. Here you can upload a banner to the top of the page. You can show or hide a theme-colored stripe on the top and or bottom of the page. Let's hide the banner stripe for now. The navigation type can be set as buttons or as a bar of buttons, but let's keep it as separate buttons. Let's set the navigation size to big buttons for now. If we run out of horizontal space, we can set it to smaller later. We will upload a background image later. We need to save our changes first. And we'll keep the current muted blue theme color for now. There are other theme colors to choose from, but this one will work with the background I have in mind. Save and go to Company Info. Add a name, it's required. Adding some address info is optional. Save and go to Contact Us section. This is where we can display a global Contact Us page. Currently it's not being displayed, but we can set it to top of the page and or bottom of the page. If we provide an email address, a contact form will appear on the Contact Us page. Suitable address would be info@your-domain. Quick note: individual email forms to staff members can be added on respective staff page. We can add the page content later, a map, and perhaps some text. Save and continue to Analytics and Social buttons. Here we paste code from external websites. Google Analytics, we'll drop it in here, and Facebook buttons, more on that later. Let's take a look at what we've made available on the website so far. Currently we only have a name, copyright, and otherwise just a blank homepage, and a Contact Us page with an email form, but no information on it yet. If we check off Show Address and save, we will display the address provided in the Company Info section. But you can type that into the content box instead. But now, let's add a map to the Contact Us page from Google Maps. You can add a location from My Places and copy the code. With a bit of tooling around, you can add logos, etc. to your map. We copy the code and paste it into the page content box on the Contact Us page. We will set the width to 100%. Save and see what it looks like. Looks good. Let's upload a background image under Look and Feel tab. Choose a file from the hard drive and upload the selected file. This may take a while. We'll skip ahead and check the results. Refresh the browser. Looks good. The background image is set by default to fixed bottom center, so the bottom of the image is always aligned with the bottom of the screen. But you can select other settings if that better suits your background.